about delay animation in Swift UI. Let's talk about how to delay animation in Swift UI. So we're gonna create on the Swift UI view and command N, which have a Swift UI view delay animation delay animation example. Okay, we're gonna get delay animation example. So what is delay animation in Swift UI? When you create any animation implicitly, explicitly, or with bindings, you can attach modifier to that animation to adjust the way it works. If you want to an animation to start after a certain numbers of seconds, you should use the delay modifier. If you want to an animation to start after a certain numbers of seconds, you should use the delay modifier. You should use the delay modifier. So first of all, we're gonna create on this Swift UI view, and we're gonna create on this property, and which have we're gonna create on this properties and state, and which have a private var, and which is the rotation, and which is rotation is equal to 0.0, which means this is the rotation is 0. We're gonna create on this button. So we're gonna create on this button which have initialize actions and labels. Suppose action is equal to with animations, and we're gonna create on the rotation plus equal to, this is the rotation, our modifier create on the plus is equal to, suppose which have 60. Okay, and we're gonna create on this image, and our images we're gonna send this image, and which have image ABC, and we're gonna apply on this resizable modifier. We're gonna apply on dot frame. Suppose this is a frame, we're gonna apply on this frame with 190, and which have a 90 width, height, and remove this alignment is remove. Okay, and we're gonna apply on this dot padding, and we're gonna apply the rotation effect, angle dot degrees. We're gonna apply on this, we're gonna get rotation. Okay, and we're gonna create on this, we're gonna apply on this animation, and we're gonna apply on this animation dot ecn out, which have a ecn out, which is easy in out duration. Okay, and duration, suppose this is 3 seconds, apply on this duration, and we're gonna apply on this dot delay. Suppose which have delay, we can apply on the delay is 1 second, and we're gonna apply on this comma dot value. Okay, and value, suppose this is the rotation, our rotation in this value. So resume on this application. So delay, if you want to an animation to start after a certain numbers of seconds, you should use the delay modifier. We're gonna run this application. Suppose which have a run on this, we can tab on this event. 3 seconds in this delay, 50% in this animation. Okay, 3 seconds in this, 60% on this lift is in 60 seconds. Suppose which I tab on this man, and 3 seconds is delay, and with a 1 second in this after second. Suppose this is a 1 second, not apply on this 3 second, and tab on this event. So this is a 1 second is 1 second only. Suppose we can apply on the delay. Suppose this is the delay is 4 seconds. Okay, so the 4 second is the delay. Loss only, not apply on this 4 second case in this. Okay, so thank you for watching this. We can use of simple delay example. Suppose which have only a button. Suppose this is the 60 by 60. We can apply on this 60 by 60 buttons, and okay, and which have we can apply on this. Suppose this in this x direction, suppose not apply on this x direction rotation, but is not rotation effect, and assign on this value. Suppose left right move, and this is the 3 second 4 second in this delay, but it's not something 4 second, this is 1 second, and we can apply the 1 second on this is 60%. Suppose we can apply 1000, and this is a 1000%, we can use the delay. Assign on the delay, this is a running on this image. Okay, we can running on this image, tab on this image, this is running on this image. Okay, so thank you for watching. We can use of delay modifier in Swift UI, delay animation in Swift UI.